जे सिद्धी नायकाची केस आसा ती आता क्लोजराक धाडल्या टू द कोर्ट. म्हाजें एकूच म्हणणें आसा की जी वस्त ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर्ड आशिल्ली की इट्स अ मर्डर म्हणून, आणि police have registered it, we have not registered like. So police have already confirmed it's a murder. So the thing is that if it's a murder, now what is left is the follow-up, and the follow-up is who is the murderer or who are behind this murder. Now we accept, चलो झाले, पुलिसा कडेन जोगली तजवीज केली, ट्राय केले, मेळोंक ना, कांयच मेळोंक ना, तांकां विटनसी मेळोना आनी कांय प्रायमा फेसिया जावं पोस्ट कांयच मेळोंक ना. फायन, एक एजन्सी आसली आमची पोलीस, तेज्या फाटल्यान नेक्स्ट एजन्सी आशिल्ली आमचे गोवा क्रायम ब्रांच, तेंकडेन जावंक ना म्हूण ती मॅटर क्लोज करपाक जायना न्ही. सो दॅट मॅटर वॉट दे कूड नॉट हँडल मे बी because of certain things that are not available with us. But there are higher authorities whose institutions are there to back up. They work maybe more scientifically. There is an institution in India itself who can go into the deeper matter. Maybe they would be able to find out the culprits or who are behind this. Such a sensitive issue and a young girl, and a lot of doubts have been created from day one. Munan, we have been requesting, and I am requesting to everybody on behalf of all of us, कि बाबा ये जाता जाल्यार आनीक सस्पिशनान दवरनाका. Even to the court I am appealing, please hand over this matter to the highest authority in India, because it will put everything to rest.